Do you struggle to focus? Are you constantly battling that frustrating brain fog? Have you noticed a scary slip in your memory or a sinking feeling that you just can't learn like you used to? Most people blame age, genetics, or just stress. They are dead wrong. I'm here to tell you that the true culprit, the silent assassin of your mind, is sitting right there on your plate. Neurodegenerative disorders, dementia, Alzheimer's, chronic memory loss are skyrocketing. They are not just an inevitable part of aging. They are a crisis fueled by what we choose to eat. Stop blaming your birth year. Today on Senior Protocol, I'm revealing the 5 most common foods that, when consumed incorrectly, are actively dismantling your brain cell by cell. This isn't about cutting out every favorite food. It's about understanding the dose and the frequency. Stick with me because I'm not only exposing the problem, but I'm giving you a simple 7-day protocol to start reversing the damage today. Trust me, you cannot afford to miss a single second of this video. Before we dive into the list, we need to understand the battlefield. Your brain is a masterpiece. It's only about 2% of your body weight, but it devours 20% of your body's energy. This incredible energy demand makes it incredibly sensitive to 2 things: inflammation and toxins. It has a shield, the mighty blood-brain barrier, a specialized cellular gatekeeper designed to keep the bad stuff out. But modern diet is tearing that barrier down. Your food choices don't just affect your waistline, they literally turn on or off the structural changes in your brain, dictating its inflammation and toxicity levels. Ready for the countdown? The sweet killer. Excessive sugars, syrups, and juices. We start with the most common offender, sugar. And I mean excess sugar. Sodas, sweetened juices, high fructose corn syrups, and refined starches. Why is this lethal? It's called glucotoxicity. When you flood your system with constant high levels of glucose, your body has to deal with it. The resulting high glucose and insulin spikes generate oxidative stress in the brain. This is where your memory center, the hippocampus, begins to suffer. Here's the shocker. Many experts now call Alzheimer's disease type 3 diabetes. The damage mechanisms that lead to diabetes are nearly identical to those that destroy the brain. High glucose, high insulin, high triglycerides. If your liver is fatty, your brain is fatty. The takeaway? The extreme view, cutting out all fruit and all carbs, is wrong. The denialist view, a little sugar won't hurt, is reckless. The truth is, understanding your personal dosing and eliminating the processed, unnecessary sugars that offer 0 nutritional value.
Number 2 are the ultra-processed foods. The things you find in shiny bags and boxes. Cookies, snack cakes, refined cereals. These aren't just empty calories. They are a cocktail of instability. Refined flours and unstable fats, emulsifiers and additives, artificial colors and flavors. These chemicals damage your microglia. That's your brain's dedicated immune system. When the microglia is inflamed, your brain is under attack. But perhaps most critically, these foods devastate your microbiota, the good bacteria in your gut. This is key. The literature is absolutely clear. Ultra-processed foods are brain poison. We wouldn't feed this garbage to a performance engine, so why are we feeding it to the most important organ we own?
3. The membrane destroyer. Industrial seed oils and trans fats. The third danger lurks in your fryer and in your baked goods. Trans fats, industrial seed oils, and margarines. This goes beyond the simple omega-6 versus omega-3 debate. The problem is the chemical residue, the hexanes, solvents, and deodorizers that remain after industrial processing. When you eat these oxidized lipids, they literally insert themselves into the membranes of your brain cells, making them rigid. This rigidity disrupts electrical signaling and turns up the volume on inflammatory factors like interleukin-6. Here's your warning sign. If your doctor has told you that you have fatty liver, your brain is suffering, even if you feel fine. You cannot wait until you feel bad. At 40 or 50, your mental life should be at its peak. 4. The gut-brain saboteur. Anything that ruins your microbiota. Our fourth category is more a collection of habits, anything that damages your gut microbiota. The main culprits are low fiber intake, chronic stress, and the overuse of acid blockers. Fiber feeds your good bacteria. Stomach acid is crucial for starting digestion. If you damage your acid or starve your bacteria, your intestinal wall becomes permeable, and a permeable gut equals a permeable brain. We now know that chronic mental health disorders, from severe anxiety to neuro-inflammation, can be traced back to intestinal damage. You cannot separate the brain from the body. You have to stop treating your body like compartments. You must nourish your gut if you want a sharp mind. 5. The social neurotoxin, alcohol. Let's dispel the myth. Wine is not healthy. While it contains antioxidants, you'd need to drink liters daily to get the benefit, which would destroy you. Alcohol is first and foremost a neurotoxin. When your body metabolizes alcohol, it forms a highly toxic intermediate molecule called acetaldehyde. This is toxic to your liver, but also brutally toxic to your brain. It disrupts neurotransmitters, impairs sleep, reduces neuroplasticity, and damages memory. The senior protocol approach. I'm not saying you can never have a drink, but you must prioritize frequency and quantity. Don't drink on an empty stomach. Don't use it to unwind every single night. If you choose to drink, it must be an addition to a meal, not the main event. A few quick bonus dangers and myths to break before the protocol. Industrial meats, sausages, bacon, etc., packed with nitrosamines. They fuel oxidative stress. Large deep-sea fish. If consumed very frequently, be mindful of mercury. Late-night coffee. The elixir of life before noon is the sleep killer after noon. Poor sleep chronically damages your brain. Myth-busting lightning round. Myth 1. Fruit juice is the same as fruit. Reality, no fiber. Fiber is essential for glucose assimilation and gut health. Myth 2. Zero-calorie artificial sweeteners are safe. Reality, some disrupt the microbiota, leading to the same permeable brain damage. Myth 3. Vegetable oils are healthy because of omega balance. Reality, the chemical residues and excessive consumption of omega-6 are the main problem. You don't need a list of 35 expensive brain supplements to start. You need a foundation. The Senior Protocol Foundation is simple. Stable membranes, excellent glucose control, healthy fats, low inflammation, and a happy microbiota. Your 7-day Senior Protocol Challenge. For the next 7 to 15 days, commit to removing all sugary drinks and ultra-processed snacks, all artificial sweeteners, cook only with animal fats, butter, olive oil, or avocado oil. Focus on abundant vegetables, high-quality protein, and healthy fats. Watch what happens to your body in just 1 week. Then, and only then you can decide your personal dosing for those occasional treats. This information isn't just about adding years to your life. It's about adding life to your years. If you believe this script can save someone from a preventable decline, then please share this video with all your contacts. You could save a future. Smash the like button so YouTube knows this content is vital for the 50+ community. And most importantly, subscribe to Senior Protocol and ring the bell so you never miss the next lesson on how to live your sharpest, longest, most vibrant life. Thank you for watching. Until the next protocol, take care.